everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can access to your marketplace on Facebook. Open your Facebook account, then tap on three dots given in the corner. Then you can see there is an option marketplace with a logo of house. Click on that. Now you can see there are so many things which you can purchase. This is called the marketplace of Facebook. Here you can also have many options, like you can check categories of clothing. Okay, you can check any category of your choice from this. If you want to make your account on marketplace, then you have to go on sale option and click on items. Then you can make your account by filling all these dashes, like you can add photo, give a title, price of your item, category, which category is your thing belongs, conditions, and you can also add description, location, and there is an option from which you can hide your marketplace from your friends. And yeah, your marketplace account is created. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.